Financial red flags. Habits that are keeping you broke. Most people don't go broke overnight. It's often the result of small, repeated habits that silently drain your bank account and keep you stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. If you're working hard, but still struggling to get ahead, you might be ignoring some serious financial red flags. Here are 7 habits that could be quietly keeping you broke, and what to do instead. Living without a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, your money is probably going nowhere. A budget isn't a punishment, it's a plan. Without it, it's easy to overspend on food, subscriptions, or impulse buys and wonder why you're broke by the 20th of the month. Fix it. Start with a simple budgeting method like the 50-30-20 rule, or use free apps like Mint or YNAB to track your spending. Relying on credit for everyday expenses. Using credit cards to pay for groceries, gas, or rent without paying it off monthly is a clear sign of cash flow problems. This habit builds debt faster than wealth, and often comes with high interest rates that eat up your future income. Fix it. Build a basic emergency fund, and switch to debit or cash while tackling credit card balances. 3. Not paying yourself first. Most people pay bills, spend what they need, and hope to save what's left. Spoiler, there's never anything left. This habit guarantees that you'll always come last in your financial priorities. Fix it. Treat saving like a bill. Automate a transfer to savings as soon as you get paid, even if it's just $20. Consistency beats perfection. 4. Lifestyle creep. Did your income go up but you still feel broke? That's lifestyle inflation, upgrading your spending every time you earn more. You deserve nice things, but when every raise goes to fancier clothes, cars, or gadgets, you're sabotaging long-term financial progress. Fix it. Lock in your core lifestyle and increase savings investments as your income grows. 5. Ignoring financial education. If you don't take time to understand how money works, you'll always work for your money. From compound interest to taxes and investing, not learning these basics can cost you thousands or more over time. Fix it. Commit to learning one new thing a week, whether it's reading a book, watching YouTube, or listening to a money podcast. 6. Avoiding your numbers. If checking your bank account gives you anxiety and you avoid it, you're not alone. But ignoring your finances doesn't make the problem go away. Fix it. Schedule a money date once a week. Just 15-30 minutes to review your accounts, track your spending, and check in with your goals. 7. Not having financial goals. It's hard to save or change habits if you don't know what you're working toward. No goals, no direction, random spending. Fix it. Set one short-term goal, save $500, one mid-term, pay off a credit card, and one long-term, buy a home, reach $100,000 net worth. Let your goals guide your money. Final thoughts. Breaking free from the cycle of being broke starts with awareness. These red flags don't make you bad with money, they make you human. But the good news is, every one of these habits can be reversed with the right mindset and tools. Take the first step today. Recognize one red flag in your life and commit to flipping it into a green light for your financial future. Like and subscribe for more helpful posts like this. See you next time.